Welcome to Remarkety's new pop-up builder. In this video, we'll show you how to make a more advanced pop-up to collect new subscribers on your website. We'll go from this to this using some of the different content options in the pop-up builder. Inside Remarkety, go to Contacts, Pop-up Sign-up Form. The first screen that you'll see is the pop-up settings, where you'll choose the display settings, tags for incoming contacts, and more. Now let's go to the Design tab to start designing our pop-up. In this video, we'll start from scratch by dragging the form element into the design editor. Under Manage Fields, you can add, edit, and delete the different data field options. Clicking the Add New Field button will open a drop-down menu to choose what you want to add. First and last name, email, phone, birth date, and gender. Rearrange the order of the fields and change their wording either as labels or placeholders. The label is the word that appears outside of the field to prompt the data input. The placeholder is a text that will appear inside of the field until your subscribers replace it with their own info. You can also choose to make a field required or not by using this toggle down below. Now let's change the way that the fields look in the pop-up. Label options. Change the font, size, text color, spacing of the labels. Choose if the label will be on top or beside the field. When you edit here, it changes all of the labels together. Field options. Add a background color or border to the field. Change the color and font of any placeholder text and add padding if desired. Button options. Change the button width, color, and text styling. Keep in mind, if you want to change the button text itself, go to the button under the Manage Field section and edit the text from there. Now let's change the pop-up's design a bit. Add a picture and text to the pop-up along with any of the other content options. This can mean extra spacing, icons, social media links, and even videos. Now I'll add an image and some text so that our subscribers know what they're signing up for. The last step of our pop-up design will be to add a checkbox where subscribers can give clear consent to receiving email and SMS marketing. If you want to add the checkbox, you can do so under the Manage Fields section. Click Add New Field and choose the checkbox option. Once you place the field where you want inside of the pop-up, click Edit to change the text. When you're editing the label of the checkbox, you'll notice that there's 3 different types of text. There's regular text, there's bracketed text, and then there's text in parentheses. The text in brackets and parentheses is relevant if you want to include some sort of external link to your store's terms of engagement or privacy policy. Like so. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview under the Actions tab. You can see how the pop-up will look on different device shapes and in light versus dark mode. Once you're certain, exit the preview and click Save in the top right corner. When you're ready for the pop-up to go live on your website, what you need to do is copy the code from the JS Code tab of the pop-up builder and paste that on your website. Soon, it can look like this, live on your website. So good luck and happy popping, and of course, let us know if you have any questions